Down in Lethbridge, Alberta, where the prairies meet the sky, the drone flies high over fields that stretch like a lullaby. Past the old grain silos, through the golden wheat, to the high-level train trestle where history and modern meet. Cattle graze in pastures, the wind whispers to the pines. Homesteads stand like sentinels through the harsh and changing times. The river winds and snakes beneath like a ribbon in the breeze. This land of simple beauty, tales it aim to please. The drone fly drone high, see the world from up above. From the wheat fields to the train tracks, it's the place I dearly love. The drone fly drone high over bridges tall and strong. Lethbridge, Alberta, where my heart belongs. The high-level trestle stands, a marvel thick with lore, built by hands long gone, seen rails and carried more. Sunsets paint the sky with hues as freight trains rumble through. In the evening golden hours, it's a sight that's tried and true. Farmers till the soil below, dreams they do not share. But the drone captures moments from the earth up to the air. Silhouettes on the horizon as the day fades into night. Lethbridge, a timeless dance in the drone's unblinking sight. Drone fly drone high, see the world from up above. From the wheat fields to the train tracks, it's the place I dearly love. Drone fly drone high over bridges tall and strong. Lethbridge, Alberta, where my heart belongs.